Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make broth noodles step by step. Start by heating 4 cups chicken broth in a medium pot, add 1 tsp salt and sliced aromatics, then bring to a gentle simmer. Add fresh or dried noodles and stir to separate, cook until al dente. Finish with soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, sliced scallions, and a squeeze of lime before serving. I like to layer flavors early so your broth tastes rich and balanced. Start by sautéing garlic and ginger in 1 tablespoon oil until fragrant, then add bones or mushrooms if making vegetarian. Pour in 6 cups water and simmer for 30 minutes to extract flavor, skimming foam occasionally. Strain if desired, return to pot, adjust seasoning with fish sauce or soy sauce, and keep warm for noodle assembly now. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like for more kitchen tips and easy recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-cooking cleanup effortless and even a little fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and really thank you for supporting the channel. Grab a sip, relax a moment, now let's get back to the video. To build the perfect bowl, cook noodles separately in salted water following package times, then rinse under cold water to stop cooking. Reheat reserved broth and add noodles, then top with protein like shredded chicken, soft-boiled egg or tofu, and vegetables such as bok choy or carrots. Finish with fresh herbs, chili flakes, and a drizzle of sesame oil for aroma before serving immediately. Adjust seasoning with lime, soy, or salt to taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.